back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing good. So first of all, let me tell you that it is raining outside, so please ignore the background noise. So today's video will be all about makeup hygiene. So हम इन छोटी छोटी चीज़ों को इग्नोर कर देते हैं after we are done with our makeup. It really doesn't matters कि आप beginner हो या professional हो, you must be concerned about makeup hygiene. तो आप यहाँ देख पाएंगे कि मेरे ब्रश कितने गंदे हो चुके हैं. अगर यही मैं कंटिन्यू करूँगी यूज़ करना तो बहुत ज़्यादा चांसेस है कि मुझे पिंपल या फिर एक्नी आ जाए, क्योंकि ये बहुत गंदे हैं और आपके फेस में डर्ट से ही एक्नी या फिर पिंपल आ सकते हैं. तो बी वेरी वेरी केयरफुल. तो मैं आपको दिखाऊंगी आप अपने ब्रश को कैसे क्लीन कर सकते हो विदाउट इवन हैविंग अ ब्रश क्लीनर और मेकअप क्लीनर. सो लेट अस स्टार्ट द वीडियो.
So these are my very dirty brushes. I will take clear water in a bowl and I will pour some shampoo in it. I'm using Alps Goodness shampoo. Now this is optional. You can use any shampoo you want. I'm not going to dip the whole brush into it because it is glued at this point. So I use this one as a brush cleaning mat because it has a irregular surface and it is not harsh to my brushes. Now you need to be very careful while you are cleaning your makeup sponges because they are extremely delicate. I'm just squeezing it very gently so that the dirt comes out of it. Now I will take clear water and dip all the tools into it to get rid of the soap water. Now I will take clear water in a mug and pour lemon juice into it. Lemon is an excellent cleaning agent. To make my brush softer, I will use some conditioner. I will mix it really well. I will put all my brushes into it and I will keep it for 10 to 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, I will take some clear water and I will dip the brushes into it. So you can clearly see how smooth and shiny they are looking. So I will clean my sponges with clear water. I will keep them upright for like 30 minutes so that the excess water in it goes away. I will place all of them over tissue paper and let them dry. It is recommended that you should always dry them under the sun or else they will start stinking. While they are drying, I will clean up the container I keep them in. First of all, I will clean it up using my hand wash. So the container has dried up, so I will take some sanitizer into a cotton pad and I will just rub the surface. So these are dried up. You can clearly see the difference in them. It has become shiny and when I touch them, they are really soft. So guys, this was all for today's video. If you liked the video, do not forget to give it a thumbs up. And those who are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Hit that bell icon to get notified. And yeah, I will see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.